Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you another 21 free admin dashboard template, fully responsive and with lots of feature. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys see the beautiful Angle 21 Bootstrap 5 admin dashboard template. See the toggle sidebar and see the beautiful content section, notification toggle, the message toggle as well, and see the content section, beautiful search, closed as well. See the content section, portfolio performance. See beautiful stats. Scroll down, company agent status. Scroll down, see the beautiful chart. See guys, timeline and other stats and list as well. So, see, and guys, this is fully responsive as well. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm a full-time freelancer. You can hire me as well. And also on my blog, you will get multiple free admin dashboard templates as well. See, or I can say thousands of free admin dashboard templates as well. So here you go. And guys, back to dashboard. And friends, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel and please like this video as well. And after it, I will come with more demos. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.